So this little gold silver mine that I'm at was called the calcite mine. Waste rock's not that big. I love it when the miners made rock walls like that. It's just really cool. Collapsed a little. Looks like it's old railroad ties. But we can get in. I just need to get my stuff on and take a quick look. All right, I'm all set. Let's get going. Again, wire nails. But then we're talking uncut timber. This is more of a drift mine than hard rock. Oh yeah, let's put it on a loose ledge and support the weight. And then got hand hewn with milled timbers. Continue this way because this looks like it actually ends. And it does. Now we're in hard rock, so I missed that. So back there it was still kind of like a drift mine. Now we're actually in hard rock. I guarantee this clunked a lot of miners on the head. Oh, we got track. Humidity. That is completely, actually looks collapsed. Yeah, that doesn't look backfill, that looks collapsed. Probably the same collapse that's right here. Like I said, I wasn't expecting it to go back too far. But now we know that it's here. I'll catch you guys on the next one.